Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tessa Marmidianti. I come from University of Depok Bukit Tinggi, majoring nursing semester 3. This time I wanna explain about past perfect tense. Understanding the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is a tense describes something that has happened in the past. The emphasis on the past perfect tense is not when something happens, but on the affirmation that something has happened. The simple past tense is used to describe the occurrence of something in the past with time as an important factor. Meanwhile, the past perfect tense is used to explain that something has been completed in the past. The time factor is not important, which is important in the past. For example, like this, you tell something that happened in 2009. In the year you have graduated from elementary school. The explanation of having graduated from elementary school can use the past perfect tense. Example, my family moved to our new house in 2009 when I had finished my elementary school. Past perfect tense formula. After discussing the meaning of the past perfect, this time it remains only to discuss the formula. The past perfect formula is really simple. It is even simpler than the present perfect because to be used is had for all subjects. Past perfect tense formulation. Positive, subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Negative, subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 plus object. Interrogative, had plus subject plus verb 3 plus object. Verb 3 or past participle for the regular verb, in fact, is the same as the verb 2 or past tense. However, for irregular verbs, the majority of 3 verbs are different from the 2 verbs. Examples of the past perfect tense in English. In order to better understand how to use the past perfect tense, below are some positive, negative, and interrogative forms of the past perfect tense can be learned. 1. Positive, I had moved to London when Kayla became a singer. Negative, I hadn't moved to London when Kayla became a singer. Interrogative, had I moved to London when Kayla became a singer? 2. Positive, she had called me Papa since the first time she could talk. Negative, she hadn't called me Papa since the first time she could talk. Interrogative, had she called me Papa since the first time she could talk? This past perfect is formed by using two had components as well as the third form of the past participle verb. If a regular verb, the form of the participle past will end with the word ed. Meanwhile, irregular verbs or irregular verbs have a special past participle form that must be studied much more deeply in the past and will continue until finally another action occurs in the past. Below you can find an explanation that states several circumstances or events as follows. Usage 1. Declare an event and events that have been perfectly done in the past. Example, I had gone in Italy with my friend. Usage 2. Stating about an event that have occurred before when they met in the past. Example, I had done my English essay before 9. Usage 3. Declare an event or incident as well as actions that have been completed before other action occur. Example, the little girl had fallen before I helped. Usage 4. Stating a news that is not known directly or know about it from other people. The sentence is often implied. Example, she said that her father had sent a package. Usage 5. The past perfect turns out to be used when the time is from an event and even past action, where this is more past than any other action or event. The formula is as follows. Past perfect tense plus simple past tense. Example of sentence, the train had come before I left. You said sick. The past perfect form is often used to make answering a question easy. That's all. The explanation of the past perfect tense in English is accompanied by formulas and examples. Thank you for watching.